find the value of x, for which this value x squared minus 7x plus 8 over x squared plus 2x minus 8 is undefined. Undefined is just the meaning that we shouldn't get a value. Yes. A number over 0. It does not exist. It's unsolvable. It does not exist. It's an infinity, or what we call math error when you use the calculator. So anytime we do this, we mean that the down here, we shouldn't put any value of x here. That will make the denominator to be 0. That's what it means. The English die here, that's all the meaning. We shouldn't put a value of x here. That makes the down here 0. So it means that we are going to equate this denominator to 0 and see the values of x. That's when we put in there, we make the value to be 0. So for undefined, so for this to be undefined, it implies that this x squared 2x minus 8, if we equate it to be 0, will be undefined. So it means that the denominator, if we equate it to 0, the values that will come up, that are the x values, that will make the denominator to be 0, will make this whole thing to be undefined. So we equate it like this and then we start solving. Now we know this is a trinomial, so we will solve them by splitting the middle value in 2 to get 4 different terms. We multiply the coefficient of the highest power by the constants. So 1 times this gives us negative 8. Two numbers we multiply to get negative 8. And when we sum them, we get this. So we have 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. 4 plus negative 2 is the same as 4 minus 2. And this has 2. So it means that we are going to use this and split them here to get our 4 terms. We have x squared. Instead of writing 2x, I'm going to write 4x minus 2x. So plus 4x minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. So 4x minus 2x is the same as 2x. 4x minus 2x is 2x. 4 times negative 2 gives us negative 8. So that's how we split the 3 into 4. We solve this, we solve that. By solving this, we factorize x out. So we have x here, x squared over x is x, plus 4x over x is 4. Minus goes out, you can do this, so 2 also goes out. Now negative 2x over negative 2 gives you x. And then negative 8 over negative 2. This cancels that, this goes here, 1 goes here, 4. Gives us plus 4. So this place is plus. Negative 8 divided by negative 2. Negative cancels this, that's 4. And it's equal to 0. Now, what you see here are equal. So we factorize it out again as x plus 4, and then what remains here, x. So we then equate each bracket to 0 to find the values of x, because a quadratic formula, a quadratic value, or a quadratic expression or equation will always have two values of x. So this is 1, this is another one. So we equate the first one to 0, this value goes to the other side, which means that x is equal to negative 4. So let's assume this is x1. Then the next one,